Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we will learn the SL sound. We will read words with the SL sound. The rest of the letters in each word you already know how to read. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Listen up. I will say the SL sound 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Soul, soul, soul. Now, you say the SL sound with me 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Soul, soul, soul. Great job. Let's read words that have the SL sound, like slug and sling. This is the method that we will use to read our word list. First, we will say the SL sound, then we'll read the rest of the word. Finally, we will read the whole word. We will follow this method straight through the reading of the word list. When we complete reading the word list in this manner, we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Finally, we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Let us begin. Soul, ab, slab. Soul, ack, slack. Soul, am, slam. Soul, ant, slant. Soul, app, slap. Soul, ash, slash. Soul, ed, sled. Soul, ept, slept. Soul, ick, slick. Soul, id, slid. Soul, ing, sling. Soul, ip, slip. Soul, it, slit. Soul, ob, slob. Soul, ot, slot. Soul, ugh, slug. Soul, slump. Soul, ush, slush. Great job. Now we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Slab, slack. Slam, slant. Slap, slash. Sled, slept. Slick, slid. Sling, slip. Slit, slob, slot. Slug, slump, slush. Great job. Now we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. This is the way we will read our sentences today. First, we will read each sentence together. Then I'll tell you the meaning of the word from our word list that's in the sentence. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The workers poured a slab of cement. Noun, listen to what slab means. It means a large flat piece of cement or stone. Builders make floors or sidewalks from cement slabs. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The rope became slack after the rain. Now listen to what slack means. It means loose or not tight. Look at the rope. It's hanging loosely. That's what we call slack. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. Please do not slam the door. Now, listen to what slam means. It means to shut something hard or loudly. When you slam a door, it makes a loud noise. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The roof has a slight slant. Now, listen to what slant means. It means to lean or tilt to one side. The roof isn't flat, it has a small slant. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. She gave the table a light slap. Now, listen to what slap means. It means to hit something quickly with your open hand. A light slap doesn't hurt, it just makes a sound. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The sign had a red slash through it. Now, listen to what slash means. It means a quick cutting line. A red slash on a sign means no or stop. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The children rode a sled down the snowy hill. Now, listen to what sled means. It's something you ride on snow. A sled slides down hills when the ground is icy or snowy. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. I slept very well last night. Now, listen to what slept means. It means the past tense of sleep. It means you already had your rest. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The road was slick after the rain. Now, listen to what slick means. It means smooth and slippery. Be careful when roads are slick because you can slip or slide. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The cat slid across the floor. Now, listen to what slid means. It means to move smoothly across something. The cat slid because the floor was smooth. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The nurse put my arm in a sling. Now, listen to what sling means. It's a cloth used to hold and protect an injured arm. The sling keeps the arm from moving. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. Be careful not to slip on the ice. Now, listen to what slip means. It means to lose your balance when something is slippery. That's why we walk slowly on ice. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The letter had a small slit at the top. Now, let's listen to what slit means. It means a small cut or narrow opening. You can make a slit to open an envelope. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. He is a bit of a slob when he eats. Now listen to what slob means. It means someone is messy or untidy. We can try not to be a slob by cleaning up after ourselves. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. Drop the coin into the slot. Now, listen to what slot means. It means a thin opening in a machine or box. You put coins, cards, or tickets into slots. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. A slug crawled slowly on the wet ground. Now listen to what slug means. It means a small, slow animal without a shell. It likes damp places like gardens or sidewalks after rain. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. He began to slump in his chair from tiredness. Now listen to what slump means. It means to sit or fall down loosely. When you're tired, your body might slump or droop. Let's read the sentence together. Ready? Let us begin. The snow turned into gray slush on the road. Now listen to what slush means. It means half melted snow. It's wet and messy, so we wear boots to walk through slush. Great job learning the SL sound. You learned many new SL words and used them in sentences. Keep practicing to read more smoothly every day. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 18. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few moments every day to review this lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning to read today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.